How to change profile picture in Duolingo. Duolingo is educational application that provide learning certificate for different kinds of language. Open the Duolingo application on your mobile device and make sure if you logged into your account. If you have already one, once you are in, click on the bottom right corner and select profile. It will open you up to Duolingo account profile. Simply click on the gear button at the top right corner and select profile. You can see that there is no option for changing the profile picture but only changing the avatar. So what we can do is open your browser and open the Duolingo website and log into your account. Once you are logged into your Duolingo account, click on the profile at the bottom right corner and select the gear icon at the top right corner. It will take you to this flowing page. As you can see, I cannot change my profile picture through this. I can only change my avatar. But it might not be the case for you. There might be an option of change profile picture where you can update your profile picture, and that's it. How you can change your profile picture in Duolingo. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.